Sesame Soy Tuna Poke Bowl. Ingredients: 1 pound sushi grade tuna, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1½ teaspoon sesame oil, 3/4 of a teaspoon red pepper flakes, crushed, 1/3 cup green onions, thinly sliced, half a teaspoon sesame seeds, plus more for garnish, 2 cups brown or white rice, cooked, 2 cups salad greens. Directions: chop the tuna into bite-sized chunks, and add to a bowl with soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, crushed red pepper flakes, green onions, and sesame seeds. Cover and let sit for 15 minutes to an hour in the fridge. While that's marinating, cook the rice according to instructions on the package. Dish the rice into bowls, top with the tuna poke, and any desired toppings.